could be inside this box right here? What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Today I picked up 2 sets of wheels for my cars, and before you guys ask which one, right here, this little S14 right here that I haven't worked on in a while, and I got new wheels for the FRS. I know, you guys are probably like, Derek, you just finished this car. These wheels are like a month old. What are you doing? I'm sorry, I got these for too good of a deal. So today we're gonna go ahead, test fit these wheels, see how they look like on the FRS, and see if the specs I picked out are perfect. And on top of that, we're gonna go ahead and mount new tires onto the new wheels for the FRS, which have been sitting here for quite some time now. So let's open both of them up and show you guys what wheels I picked up. All right, let's start out with the FRS wheels. Okay, drum roll please. Boom, look at these. These are Work Meisters L1s. Look at that. Copper, or not even copper. This is a bronze finish on the lip, and then the satin bronze finish on the face. Looks super, super nice. I think these are 18 by 10.5 and 18 by 11. These are gonna go on the FRS. I picked these to be a little bit more stancy specs. I'm sorry, I could not go away from stance. I just want to see what the car looks like stanced out, you know, that fender to lip fitment. That would look so nice, but that doesn't mean I'm done with meat forever. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna have a backup set, so whenever I want to go a little meaty, I can toss on those Regos right there. So there you have it. For the FRS, we have these Meisters L1s. Let's go to the S14 wheels. All right, so for the S14, we have, drum roll please. Boom, we got these fresh new 326 Yaba King spokes. Look at this, 2-piece wheels, 5-spoke bases. These are 18 by 9.5 plus 18, I think, something like that. But yeah, I've had these for a while now. I think these came in when my Varis kit came in. So that's like 3 or 4 months that I've been hiding these from you guys. But today will be the day we mount some fresh new tires on these babies and slap them on the car. And who knows, maybe we'll slam the S14 some more, since it's not the drift car anymore, because we got the S13s to drift. The white one's not here yet, but yeah, we got the S13s to drift. So let's go ahead and test fit those ones first. I want to see if this will clear the bags as well as clear the wide body, because this wide body isn't as wide as my previous one, which was a Rallybacker. These are just, I think, like 25mm less aggressive, but we will find out. So let's start by jacking up this car and taking off these Regos. Test fit the fronts real quick. Man, I'm crossing my fingers that these specs I measured out works, or else we're gonna run into a whole bunch of fitment issues, and I do not want to deal with that right now. So let's find out. Oh fuck, they're a little pokey, bro. Oh my god. I do not want to add any aggressive camber on this stance, so fuck. These are definitely a no-go. Wait, what if these are actually the rears? Here, let's find out. Let's open the other one. Oh, these have a way fatter dish. Yeah, this is definitely the rears. That's the front. Fuck. What should I do, guys? They look really good though, look at that. Should I bolt them on and see what they look like on the ground? You guys think that will fit? I personally don't think this is gonna fit. They have plenty of clearance to the bags though, so we should be fine there. It's just, it's a little pokey. You know what, let's go ahead, tighten the lug nuts, lower it, and see where we sit. Okay, now that they're mounted on the car, it doesn't look that bad. I think I might be able to clear this when I air out. What you guys think? You guys think I'll clear it? What you guys think? You guys think I'll clear it, or do you guys think I'll definitely have to add some camber? Let me know. But look at this. This is literally resting in the fate of some books and some wood blocks. A little sketchy, but I think that'll do the job. Let's go ahead and check out the rears, and hopefully the rears fit a little bit better in the fronts, just so we know what specs to get for the next set of wheels we order. Let's see how the rears fit. Ow. Holy shit. Bro, what the fuck? There's no way. There's no way. There is really no way this is gonna fit, bro. What the heck was I thinking? Alright, let me bolt this up, cross my fingers that it's somewhat close to the fitment so I can at least use these wheels as reference for the specs I need. Oh shit. Oh, thank God. I thought it broke. Did it break? Okay, no, we're good. Okay, the FRS is somewhat all the way aired out. I can't air it out anymore because this would hit the wood block right there, and we don't want to do that and break that carbon piece. That's a no-no. But look at the poke. That has got to be like an inch of poke. Derek, what the hell were you thinking? But on the bright side, don't that look super good? Look at that, look at that. Oh, oh, just imagine it. And check out the fronts. The fronts aren't as bad as I thought. That's like half an inch of poke. We can work with that, we can work with that. But definitely not the rears, unless we go like negative 10 degrees of camber. But overall, this looks pretty freaking fire, y'all. Let me go ahead and throw on the front bumper and shoot some cinematics for you guys. I know you guys will really like that since these wheels are A1 steak sauce. So cue the cinematics.
Piling paper got them talking nice to me. Down the bottle, it be going right through me. Brown baby down to take a flight to me. They think that I'm stunting, but it's slight to me. Piling paper got them talking nice to me. Guess that's why the labels want the rights to me. City on my back and it feel light to me. They think that I'm stunting, but it's slight to me. I don't understand it, how they got so timid. Told them I would do it and I overdid it. I don't do the bass cause I don't got the minutes.
Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of these wheels. You guys think I should buy these wheels but in the right specs, or should I get something different? You guys let me know. Pick out the color too. I chose bronze because I think bronze and red would look good together, and boy, does it look good together. But I also thought maybe chrome or polish would go so fire with the red. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. But yeah, it's time to go ahead and measure out these wheels so I know which specs to get when I order the next one. So I got my little tape measure right here. So all you have to do right here is take your lip and the edge of your body panel, and you literally just go like this. We could see that it's poking out about 1.5 inches. So the next time we order wheels, we get 1.5 inches of less offset, or just go ahead and order 1.5 inches less of the lip. But there we go, 1.5 inches less aggressive in the rears. What about the fronts? The fronts is about a solid inch. There we go. Just like that, we know the specs to order. Let's just say these are 18 by 10, negative 25 up fronts. Then that just means that when we order the new wheels, we just get 18 by 10, 0 offset. And that would account for the inch of poke that we have right here. And for the rears, let's just say these are like 18 by 11, negative 25 also. For 1.5 inches, we would do 18 by 11, 0 offset, but then we will still have to account for that 1/2 inch, which is 13 millimeters. So then we could go down to 18 by 11 plus 13. All right, time to wrap it up. Let's go ahead and take on the new wheels that we opened for the S14 and the tires. And I'll be reusing the tires that are on these Contes because they still have a good amount of tread left. So let's jack up the car, take off the Contes, and let's go mount these new 326 wheels, baby. All right, guys, the Contes are off. Look at that. That is fresh meat right there. So we're definitely gonna be reusing those. But since we're going to the tire shop, I took off my 2 front Regas and we're gonna go ahead and slap 255s on them instead of these beefy 295s. So that means I'll be able to take out some camber in the rears as well to get the fitment looking nice. So let's go ahead and load up all these wheels and tires into the mom SUV. Alright, wheels and tires are all loaded up. Let's go ahead and get them mounted. We made it to Leon's house. I apologize in advance. The compressor is low-key stupid loud, but I'm gonna go ahead and say fucking film for you guys. There's Leon. He's taking off the tires from the Contes right now. Let me show you guys his crazy ass FRS. Look at this. Wide body and everything. And the best part, 2JZ. Bro, what's up with all these FRS builds of you having 2Js? Like, y'all are just ballers. Look at that. Big ass turbo. Damn, Leon. Ballin'. This is what, your Pro-Am car?
It was supposed to be my Pro-Am car, but then we started, they decided that we're actually only going to do 1 round, and it's going to be a shootout this year.
Oh, dang.
And then use it for the shootout, and then compete in another series with it.
Okay, I see.
Just my car this year.
Yes, sir. So if you guys can't tell, Leon is a drifty boy. Look at this. Big ass tires, angle kit, and everything. This is next level, bro. Insane. And not only does he have this, but he has the little E36 under wraps right there. Can't really show you guys that, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Wait. Oh, that's how you know he's fast. Look at that. AM cluster. Welcome to Leon's shop. He even has a tire mounter back there, bro. Like, look at that. Mant is ready.
It's really small right now, but I'm building a shop in the backyard in the next couple months.
Oh, dang. So you're going all out.
Yeah, we're going to expand it a little bit.
That's fucking sick, dude. Let me give you guys a rundown of what we're doing. We're gonna take off these 290, or hopefully, let's see if Leon can do it. Take off these 295s to slap on these 255s. Accelera, that's the brand? Accelera. Yeah, so they're a brand that Leon is the dealer for, so we're gonna test it out and slap them on. And then he's currently taking off the tires for the Contes to slap on the 326. Quick little update, we were unable to mount the 326 wheels. They're super hard. You need more advanced equipment to put that on, so I'll just go ahead, swing by a shop tomorrow morning, get those mounted and stretch. But for now, shout out to Leon for mounting the 255s on the Regas. Appreciate you, bro.
Hey man, we tried. I think just because the tires were mounted before, they got really stiff. So hope the next guy has better luck.
Yes, sir.
I hate turning people down, but you know, at least we gave it a shot.
Yeah, and the last thing I want to do is fuck up the 326 wheels at what?
That's
Midnight, so.
yeah, that's the last thing I want to do too. But glad we could at least mount the Regas on with these new Acceleras. I hope you like them. They're super grippy and they look like they stretch pretty well.
Yes, sir. I will let you guys know how I feel about these. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out. Alright, y'all, it is now the next day. Now I know some of you guys have been wondering, Derek, where's the white S13? How come I haven't seen it? Well, boys, I brought it to the shop today. I sold the wheels earlier this week, so I didn't have anything to drive with to the shop. That's why it's just been sitting on jack stands. But since we just got the wheels mounted earlier today, I went ahead and slapped them on the S13. It's sitting in the shop where it belongs. So let me go ahead and just show you guys what it looks like with the 326 power wheels on. Boom, look at that. Okay, chill, don't say anything yet. It's monster truck right now. That is not my fault, that's the previous owner, but best believe we're gonna slam this, but look at how good white and polished go together. Look at that. Oh, that is so freaking fire. Fitment is perfect too. All I have to do is lower this car a little, and it would, not even a little, like 4 inches, and then it'll look nice and clean. The rears fit A1 too. Look at that. Oh, so fire. But these wheels are not meant for the S13. We have more plans for the S13. So let's go ahead, take the wheels off of the S13 and slap it on the S14. Man, I'm so pumped to see how polished looks like with the red, because lately I've been running the gray Contes and I don't think that dark color wheels does the car justice. So hopefully this looks a lot better. You know what, enough of me talking, let's take off these wheels. The S14 is now back on the ground. We got the whole kit on the car, so it's time for me to show you what the S14 looks like with the new 326 Yaba King spokes. Here it is, cue the cinematics. Boys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video right here. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about these new wheels on the S14. I think it looks so good. The polish really brings out the red. Like, look at that. A1 freaking steak sauce. So if you guys haven't yet, go down below, hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos, and check us out. Here's a little sneak peek. We started a little build on the garage, and so now everything looks so much better. Like, check this angle. Whoo! Look at that backdrop though. Pretty fire if you ask me. Until next time, peace out.